Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 92 summary. Here in this first clip, we can hear a large firefight ongoing around the city of Severodonetsk. Severodonetsk has become one of the major linchpins on the modern front line, where we can see that the Russians are desperately trying to attack Ukrainian forces and uproot them from the city. Severodonetsk is also one of the last areas that Ukraine controls on the eastern side of the Donets River. In this next clip, we can see a D-20 howitzer being used by the Ukrainians and being fired at the Russian forces. Finally, we can see some Javelin ATGMs being used against Russian vehicles. In this clip, we can see a vehicle get hit, and in the second clip, we can actually see the smoke from what appears to be multiple vehicles that may have been hit, and the Javelin hitting another tank, causing it to begin smoking, much like the other burning husks around the rest of the field. We can now see a Ukrainian soldier firing another Javelin in another location, and also hitting the vehicle down on here. And with that, that is the conclusion to the Day 92 summary. If y'all did enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We also run streams every single day of the week, except for Mondays at 10 PM Eastern Time, covering the past 24 hours of the war in Ukraine. Thank you very much once again, and I hope to see you all in the next one.